Hello guys, my name is Zafur and this is my cat P1. Hey P1, say hello to the audience. I think he's a bit tired. Anyway, I've got a review to do today. It's a electric screwdriver I ordered from the online, and it's pretty cheap actually. It's about 10 to 15 bucks. So let's get into the box. Oh, I think he's a bit lazy today. Anyway, he's always lazy. He wants to use this. Let's play with this. Okay, here it is. Joust Max. It has a 45 pieces of screws that might be useful for him. So let's see what's in the box. He won. My cat. Move it with a bit. Okay, here you go. Alright, wow. Joust Max manuals. Here's the gun and 45 pieces of tools. Pretty nice. The reason I bought this, actually it can twist like this, and it has a light actually. That's here you go. There's a lights. If you are working in the dark area, you can use these ones. It's pretty decent light, I think. Yeah, so it's gonna be interesting. And also this is the indicator for the battery charge, how much battery charge you have. Let's get into the box. Here you go, 45 pieces of this, 2 bit for the drill. Only 2. I was hoping there's some more bit to make holes, but anyway, how much you can get in 10-15 bucks. So I'm pretty much happy with this, whatever comes in the box. So yeah. Another thing is, I don't know. Yeah, this is pretty solid, and the charger is pretty good actually. Yeah, I think I can use some other parts. This is the port. I don't know what is it called, but this is the port. I think you can use from some other chargers too if you have this port. So yeah, here it is. It's pretty light actually. Yeah, it's not bad at all. Here's the switch. As you can see, this side is anti-clockwise and this is the clockwise. I feel like a little bit powerful and pretty light actually. Yeah, that's the things actually I like in tools. It's light and solid, and it has a good grip to hold actually. Yeah, pretty nice. Let's see that other way around. Once it's twist, how does it feel? There you go. Wait a minute. Also, if you are using this way, I think you will get a good grip to pressure in. So yeah, not bad at all. I like it. Okay guys, bye for now. If I'm making any other reviews with this, I'll put it in my channel. Please subscribe my channel for further videos.